Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product unboxings and unopenings. Today I'll be reviewing this diaper bag, actually, designed by 12 Little, but it can actually be used for anything, not just diapers. Quite big, which I really like. And the color is stunning. I love this like olive green, so it's like super stylish while carrying diapers in here. Since I don't have kids, I actually am going to be using this as a travel bag. One thing in particular that I really like about this bag is this thing right here. What you can do is you can unzip the bottom. This is where your suitcase handle is going to go through up to the top. There's another zipper, so you can see it goes all the way through. That way you can literally just put it on top of your suitcase and it's not gonna fall off. Another thing are these straps that you can, put anything on. You can hook your keys, your hand sanitizer. Be a great thing to hook on right here so you don't have to dig into your bag to grab it. Really big side pocket. It's this fabric on the inside, so if there's any spillage or anything like that, you can literally just wipe it up because it's not the same cloth as this. I like that a lot. I really like this fabric a lot. I just feel it's very modern. I don't know, it's very chic. So inside this bag, you can see there are lots of compartments. There is this zipper. It goes to down to here. So anything that's about this big can go right here. You have this attached little piece. I'm assuming this is like a baby's changing pad. Also be a pad for anything else. Or you can also sew in pockets and make it into a beauty bag, putting your makeup stuff in here. Next, we have another little stretchy bottle, place for a bottle in here. So it's insulated and hidden in there. Here is another pocket. So there's a zip pocket, and then this is like a mesh pocket. You know, if anything goes in here, you can see what's actually in there. Love this little detail. This is great for, keys or certain things that you need to access really quickly. Over here, we have a few more pockets that are also stretchy. Goes all the way down, pretty deep. So that is the interior. This little fun gadget that you can put, whatever you need over there. All right, in the front, we have easy to access front pocket. Goes to about yay deep. Easy to access wipes. So you can put your little wipes in here, or when you're traveling, it can just be Clorox wipes or anything. Doesn't necessarily, as I said, doesn't have to be baby wipes per se. It can be any type of wipes you want. Oh, how convenient! And it comes, you can actually put in your wipes and refill it with this handy dandy thing. There's the front pocket and then another pocket, and it's magnetized. And so it could be additional, way to hold it. It would have been really helpful to read this because it literally tells you everything about this bag. So literally the things that I didn't know what they were, the suitcase being able to be like that, that's what it would look like. That's the wipes that can go in there. What that thing was a Velcro packy. So this is a changing pad. And I guess apparently these are stroller clips. It's made with 100% vegan leather and it's water resistant lining. 2 insulated side bottle pockets, front flap with magnet. Yep, as I said earlier. That's the bag. It's from the Peekaboo collection. And let's just pull it for it to go a little bit further down, or pull it like this to tighten. If you want to purchase this, go ahead and check out the links below. Let me know what you think about this bag. Would you use it for traveling? Would you not? Would you use it as a diaper bag? What other uses would you use it for? Let me know. And if you like product unboxings, check out my other videos because that's all I do. All right, bye.